Our 3D view, I know we have kind of briefly gone over it about the navigation around it. Okay, so using the shift key, all right, and the middle mouse button, navigating around. All right, this view in and of itself, all right, can be tossed onto a sheet. All right, we won't go over the camera views and kind of creating renderings, all right, because we have a whole separate class on renderings. So we'll go over actually creating cameras and perspective views and all that, all right, when we do that. But in terms of your 3D view, all right, one quick thing that I wanted to show you guys aside from navigating around is when you're in it, if you go to the properties over here on the left and scroll down under extents, is you have what's called the section box here. Okay, so if you click on section box in your 3D view, all right, it actually goes and brings up this kind of wireframe box, right? And what you can do with this is if you click on it, all right, is you have the arrows on either side. You can actually click and, modify the size of this, all right? What this box does is it actually allows you to cut through your building in 3D. So aside from just clicking on walls and kind of right-clicking or going down here to the sunglasses and temporarily hiding them, all right, you can actually go and in 3D use this section box and cut through, your building wherever you want with this 3D section box and look at it in 3D. So if you wanted to kind of look in your top floor, and instead of hiding your roof, you just use the section box and kind of drag it down, cut through your first couple floors, and you can look into your floor plan, right? What's also nice, in terms of, going off of that, what I was talking about with looking into your floor plan, is let's say you have, a cool detail view set up, right? One of your callouts or anything like that, and you want to create kind of a 3D axon of it, right? You have the ability to kind of create your 3D view from that, right? Is if you go and click on your view cube up here, all right, which would be in your top right, and scroll down to where it says orient to view, is you can actually select any of the 2D views you have. So if you go to sections and call out one, all right, this is actually going to go set this section box in your view to that same view you have in 2D. But what's nice, because you're in a 3D view, you can now rotate it. So whatever those extents are, right, you can actually now look at this in 3D. So if you can imagine you're looking at something in a 2D plan and you're like, oh, that's pretty cool, you can actually then go around and change it into kind of a 3D axon. So not only are you looking at it in a 2D detail, but you can actually look at the detail in 3D as well. Right, so it's kind of cool. And then if you ever want to shut off that box, all right, we can scroll down here and uncheck it. All right, I'll go back to normal. Okay. So again, just kind of that one extra step there that I wanted to show you with the 3D plan or the 3D views. All right, that kind of will help you out. All right.